So I already got some cards pulled, and the cards I got are Four of Swords, Ace of Swords, and Two of Swords. So a lot of swords energy. Swords energy is more about our thoughts. So many of you are into a deep healing state where you are nurturing your own heart, maybe retreating from the world, retreating from everyone, and getting into your own cozy place to recover from something, some kind of loss, some kind of pain that you have been through for a long time, but now you are finally addressing it. You are not escaping it, you are embracing it. And when you are embracing this painful situation where your heart needs a lot of tending, your heart needs a lot of care, a lot of things are becoming clear to you, especially who you thought you were is no longer what you believe in. You have started to acknowledge who you are right now in this moment. In this moment, how you are feeling about yourself. You are not letting anyone or anything make you feel otherwise. You're just remembering who you truly are, and this healing is here to remind you that you were never too less, never too much, you were never too deep, but you were exactly as you were needed to be. You were never too intense. So this healing is changing a lot of perceptions about your own self. It is actually freeing you from the opinions of others. Like it can be conditioning, childhood trauma, and the perceptions and opinions about your own self passed on to you by others. So you're no longer believing in the outside noise. You are finally connecting to your inner self. You're finally able to see what is the truth of you being you. What is the truth of me being here on earth, and how can I reclaim my power back? So whatever the situation was in the past that got you a lot of hurt and a lot of pain, see that situation, see that person as a catalyst to your emotional awakening, your spiritual growth, and also it pushed you to know your inner truth, to know yourself beyond the judgment and opinions of others, and to know who you are without any kind of external validation. So it's like coming back home to your soul, coming back home to who you truly are. Let's honor this moment, honor this journey with a short affirmation that says, I am home to my own soul. I no longer need to love myself conditionally based on how others love or perceive me. I am my own source of love and truth, and I honor this truth in my body, mind, heart, and spirit. So this is your homecoming. Celebrate this. Celebrate yourself. Allow yourself to be seen, celebrated, and not every time it's there's something to reflect, something to heal. Sometimes you just need to let go and celebrate life as it is. So this is the moment. Come out of the shell and start seeing life for what it is and celebrate it in every possible way.